Come on, people, seriously. Friends, this was supposed to be a car line what sold, but instead we're sitting in traffic. It's just gonna be sitting in traffic on our way to the post office and the car line what sold. Maybe. We'll see how far we can get, shall we? So I've been doing these car what solds for a couple of weeks now, just to kind of highlight sales from the last 24 hours or so, because I do not have it in me currently to sit down and do a whole weekly what sold on a regular basis. I can't. So whenever I have a good amount of sales and I have time and energy and a cute jacket on, from Poshmark by the way, then I'm just, you know, in my car putting on the camera and telling you what sold. So I have a whole bunch of packages here next to me, you can see them, and let me tell you real quick what's in them while we're still going in slow motion. So I had 5 sales on Poshmark. 1 is not in there yet because it just sold, and so I haven't shipped it yet, but 1 was a pair of these new with tags BDG black wide leg crop jeans, kind of like a relaxed baggy fit. I got these from a ThredUp box, and these ended up selling for 20 bucks. I think it was an offer to liker. If it's coming up, I can tell you. Yeah, offer to liker, $1.50 shipping discount. So these just sold earlier today. I'm recording this on Tuesday, what is today, the 15th, the 16th, the 16th of November. Earlier today also sold this AUW halter dress with this kind of kaleidoscope print. Okay, so there's an actual accident here, so let me just get past all that real quick. Ooh, that didn't look good. Okay, so we have this AUW halter dress with this kaleidoscope print. I did not really pick that out. I got this through Facebook. I bought like a whole garbage bag full of clothing from a person way back when we couldn't really source much, and it was a decent deal. I paid between $1 and $1.50 per item for the items that I ended up listing, but they weren't great items. Lots of kind of like cheap junior type brands, that sort of thing. So this dress ended up selling for 12 bucks. That was an offer I received, so I get what, like $8.05, right? Is that right? That is right. $9.05, never mind. Had it for a while, just glad that it's gone, because that probably would have gone to ThredUp or Plato's Closet or something at some point soon. Also, why is the sun setting at like 3:49? Oh shit. Also, it's late and I need to get my kids, so this traffic needs to let up here. Also happy to see this next item go. Also didn't sell for much, but I'm just like over Anthropology at this point. So it's Anthropology Saturday Sunday velour wrap hoodie in this navy color. This sold for 12 bucks with a shipping discount, so I think I get like $7.55, and I bought it from a regular thrift store, so probably had about $3.50 into it. So really only doubled my money, which is not horrible, I guess, but really not what I want with Anthropology. So not happy about that one. Saturday, Sunday generally does not do well for me. But yeah, it sold. It was cute though. I mean, yeah. Somebody got a good deal on a cute lounge sweater. There's another accident about to happen right behind me. I can already tell you, because people are freaking stupid. The Jackassery. Patrick, I'm telling ya, if you're watching. I know you're watching. Anyway, now half my face is lit up by the sun. This is great. This is awesome. And I cannot see what else I sold. I also sold these J. Crew vintage straight navy corduroy pants. They were kind of high-waisted. They were in really great condition. When I picked them up, I think I showed them in a haul, like one of my car hauls. They were in a size 32, so good size, good kind of plus size, like mid-size to plus size. Oh my god. There's just too many people in cars that don't know what they're doing out here. These sold for 18 bucks, and I think that was also an offer to liker. Wow, the sun is just freaking crazy. Happy that they're gone. Made me a good little profit. Got them from a regular thrift store, like I think I mentioned. And then the last thing to sell on Poshmark within like the last 24 hours or so was this Bob Mackie swirl side tie top blouse, purple and blue and swirly. I usually don't pick up Bob Mackie. I think that's how you say his name. Mackie, I don't know. It's kind of like the wearable art stuff, but most of the stuff that I find at the thrift is not that great, and it's usually priced up and it just doesn't sell. So this one sold for 16 bucks. Don't remember if it was an offer to like or not. Can't really check right now because I'm driving, but it probably was, and I had about $3.50 or so into it. So still made a little bit of a profit. I'm gonna focus on the road, get to the post office, and then once I hop on the car line, I'm gonna tell you about my 2 eBay sales. I think it was only 2, and then my 1 direct sale on an item from my recent ThredUp fun box. That video went up a couple of days ago, so if you want to check it out, we can do that up here. And yeah, I'll be right back.
11 minutes later.
Okay, packages are dropped off, so let's talk about eBay sales real quick while we're sitting in the car line for probably another 5 minutes. On eBay, I made 2 sales in the last 20-ish, 24-ish hours. This Heartstrings Baby Corduroy pair of overalls with a little bit of Santa embroidery in the front and like a dog and like a Christmas tree or something embroidery in the back. Why are you getting out of your car? Oh, okay. I'm always like, do not knock on my window and start a conversation with me. Anyway, so these sold for 18 bucks plus shipping, so that was pretty good. I think I got these from a regular thrift store. Kids clothes there is like $1.50 maybe, so not too much into it, but it sold for 18 bucks. Even if I had $3 into it, that would be a good sale, and I've had it for a little while now. The other item that sold on eBay was this Cuddle Duds pajama lounge top. It's probably part of a set. I just only have the top. I got that from the bins. It's a size extra large. That's kind of why I picked it up, and I do like Cuddle Duds a lot. It's really soft and cozy. This sold for 12 bucks. I think that may have been an offer that I sent out that they accepted, or actually no, they sent me that offer, and it did sell via promoted listing. So that sold for 12. So again, buyer pays shipping, and I had about $1 into it. That's fine. And then my 1 direct sale, super exciting because I kind of knew that was gonna happen. From my most recent ThredUp fun box that I linked earlier, my friend Margaret, who I love so much, she actually ended up purchasing the pajamas that I pulled out and, you know, immediately thought of her. Also by Cuddle Duds, super soft, super cute, and those were actually a set, and so she PayPal'd me 25 bucks. We did do the friends and family thing, which I normally would not recommend if you're selling stuff via direct sale, but because she's a good friend of mine, like, we know that we're not gonna screw each other over, you know? So didn't have to pay any fees, and I think I paid like $5 and some change for shipping. It was just under £1, and so yeah, I get like $19 and some change. Let's just say 19. With the fun box, I had 14 items in there. I'm not sure if I'm listing all of it, but it probably comes out to $3 to $4 per item that I have in cost of goods. So with this sale to Margaret, I already made half my money back on the fun box, so that's exciting. And the rest of the stuff that was in there, I'm sure I can sell that. Like I mentioned in the video, I think I can probably make around 50 to 60 bucks in net profit. So I'll of course keep you updated on how that's going. All right, car line's moving. Maybe, maybe not, but that was it for the last day or two. All the sales I shipped out today, minus the one that just sold. I do have somebody bundling a whole bunch of stuff in my closet right now. I think we're up to 6 items, and I did send her an offer earlier, and she had asked about one of the items too, so there was a little bit of interaction, and I do hope she accepts. That would be a good sale. I will keep you posted if that happened. I will just put it somewhere on the side maybe and let you know how much I made, but if not, then that's all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned for another video later this week. It's gonna be a vlog that I already recorded. I just need to edit it. It's a Veronika's day out, reseller mom's day out, sourcing at different places, a little bit of a haul, kind of smorgasbord, random car karaoke. There may have been some Jackassery in there too. I don't remember, but stay tuned for that one. It's probably going to come out sometime this coming weekend. I don't know when this is going up. Probably Wednesday, Thursday maybe. And then the vlog is probably going to come out on Saturday or Sunday. That's all I can commit to right now. But it's coming. And if you're not subscribed yet, you definitely should subscribe and help me get to 800 subs, please. And then 1,000. And also, if you had a good time, like this video. If you like my houndstooth jacket, which is super cute, do like this video as well. I will see you soon. Bis dann. Tschüss.